So I'm going to show you the new method that I use to glue up the rings for a bell. Originally I used to have a white top on them. I've stopped that now and I only have a solid piece of the wood that I'm going to be using. So first of all, I chuck up the top block that I'll be using to glue pieces to. Next thing I'm doing is I'm using this particular live center because the hole inside of the component fits perfectly upon that. So I can put that up, check the fit, then put glue on it. Use the old technique of the finger to rub the glue around to get it all spread out. Once it's spread out, I then use the lathe as a vise, as a press, if you will, to tie that together. I'll pull it up tight. At this point, I'll let it dry for 30 seconds to a minute. Once it's dried for a bit, I'll loosen up the end, put the second piece in, kind of make sure that it's going to fit well. Looks like this is fine. So I then do the same process. And you'll notice that the way the hole is in this one, it still fits this cone center really well. And so I'm using the cone center to always align these, because the closer they are to the center, the better the turning will turn out when you actually shape the bell. So it's important to make sure that you line up your pattern. I do this so that I'm halfway through the maple to walnut, then tighten it down. Then I'm going to wait another 30 seconds to a minute, and I'll repeat this process. Make sure when you're doing this that you continue the pattern properly. Now we're going to do the last piece. The last piece doesn't have the alternating colors, but it still does have these segments. So make sure when you put the segments together that you line them up halfway through, just like you have all the others, but you'll just be looking at the lines instead of the colors. At this point, I pull the clamp down tight. I'll let it dry. This particular glue, Speed Set Type 1 Speed Set, only requires 15 minutes worth of clamp time. So I'm going to clamp it, start my timer, and come back and take it off and do another one.